was the last bag on the shelf. Like, all the other brand was sold out, but they had like the Snyder's. This was the last bag. Since I got that, now I'm gonna go to the gym. Me and Hazel are chilling, watching some Christmas like little YouTube, and taking in the time because later I have gymnastics and work. Day 18 advent calendars. Let's see, where is it? Right here. Oh. It's the... Oh, we got 2 buns. I don't know where the camera is. So it's the next day. Haven't done much. Well, actually I did a lot today, but I'm gonna wrap some presents. But I can't really show like any of like the ones for people, so we're just gonna do a couple. This box out of the way. Yesterday I wrapped 2. So I'm just trying to like slowly do it. Like this one. This is just for like a family friend, so it doesn't really matter. And then we have this one. This one's for Grammy. And then this is just a gift from my coach. It's really my stuff. But I could repurpose this box for something. And then we have this one from our mom and dad to our Grammy. And then I gotta wrap this other one right here. Advent calendar number 19. Oh. Yes, this one's like my favorite. And I got at least a little Kinder box. So the new gas station opened up and we're all gonna go see it because why not? It sounds stupid, but like, it's exciting.
Those kids riding that bike.
Now, OMG. I feel like I'm on vacation. Oh, this is the craft coffee, cookies, snacks, pastries, wine. Wait, Virgilio's bread. Oh my gosh. Oh, ice cream. He's in his dream right now. Some grab and goes. Morgan's kind of aisle right here. No way, they have meat. Dinner tonight, we have steak, potatoes, and carrots. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It's official announcement, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't be scared. Bye!